Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Take your 4 medium tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 4 to 5 green chilies, and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, and give them all a good wash. When chopping, aim for medium-sized pieces. They don't need to be perfect since we'll be blending them anyway. You'll know the size is right when the pieces are about the size of a small grape. Next, we'll tackle the 3 to 4 garlic cloves. A quick tip I've learned over the years: instead of struggling with peeling each clove individually, give them a gentle crush with the flat side of your knife. The skin will come right off, making our lives much easier. You'll know you've crushed them right when you hear that satisfying little crack. Now comes the fun part, blending time. Add your chopped vegetables, peeled garlic, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of regular salt to your blender. Blend until you reach your desired consistency. I usually go for slightly chunky, similar to restaurant-style salsa. You'll know it's perfect when you can still see tiny bits of vegetables, but everything is well combined. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add our final touch: 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Give it just a quick pulse in the blender, maybe 2 to 3 seconds. We don't want to overblend at this point. The goal is just to incorporate the lemon juice evenly. The citrus will help keep our salsa fresh and add that perfect tangy kick. This is where we do our quality check. Take a small taste. I always use a clean spoon, and adjust the seasoning if needed. Remember, you can always add more salt, but you can't take it away. The perfect Arabic salsa should have a balance of fresh, spicy, and tangy flavors. Finally, transfer your salsa to an airtight container. This salsa is incredibly versatile. It pairs beautifully with Mandi rice, makes a great dip for naan bread, and even works as a chip dip. A little pro tip: letting it sit for about 30 minutes before serving allows all the flavors to meld together perfectly. You'll know it's ready when you see the natural oils from the vegetables creating a slight sheen on top. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.